Sakubona mfundi wami, mina ibizo lami ngubonge Mntambo. Ngiyakwamukela ku-day 18 of the 21 day Ndebele challenge. Right, ngizakupha imicho ngesindebele. Ngicela ukuthi utsho ukuthi imicho le ichoni ngesikhiwa. Saying that I'll give you some sentences in Ndebele and I need you to figure out what they mean. All right. So let's do this together, starting with number 1. Umama uya emsebenzini. Kuchoni lokho ngesikhiwa. What does it mean? Umama uya emsebenzini means mother is going to work. Mother is going to work. Number 2. Uthokozani uvela esontweni. Kuchoni. Thokozani is coming from church. Esontweni. Siyaqhubeka, umalume uvela emcimbini. Kuchoni. Malume is coming from the party, or uncle is coming from the party. Which uncle is this one that we call umalume? It's your mother's brother, right? Not your father's brother. Just uncle from mother's side, umalume. All right. Number 4. Umnewethu uya edolobheni. Kuchoni ngesikhiwa. My brother is going to town. All right. Brother is going to town. That's how you say it. What about udadewethu uvela ezitolo? Sister is coming from the shops. Ezitolo. Store. Isitolo. And then shops or stores. Izitolo. Kezwakala. All right. Number 6. Ubaba mkhulu uya emasimini. Kumbe ukhulu uya emasimini. Kuchoni lokho. Kucho ukuthi grandfather is going to the fields. Emasimini, the fields. Number 7. Ugogo uya emchadweni. Uya ngaphi ugogo? Grandmother is going to the wedding. 8. Mina ngiya emchadweni kaSithembeni. Mina ngiya emchadweni kaSithembeni. What does that mean? I am going to Sithembeni's wedding. Is that right? Right. Number 9. Abantwana baya esikolo. Lokho ke kuchoni. Abantwana baya esikolo. The children are going to school. Okay. They're going to school. And then number 10. Umpendulo uvela eBhawa. Kuchoni. Mpendulo is coming from the bar. EBhawa, the bar. Does this make sense? And are you getting your answers correct? All right. So that's it for today. I will obviously leave you with Inqobe, the challenge. All right. This is for you to practice. Practice your Ndebele writing, practice your hearing, and just become handy with your language. So, when I get mfundi, uvela ngaphi? Ngicela impendulo yakho kuma comments wena uvela ngaphi. And I'll see you in the next challenge. Bye bye.